Hello everyone, I am Mr. Guo, the General Manager of Titan Vehicles. Since 2014, we have been mining stone and started exporting various types globally. In the past 11 years, we have exported over 20,000 vehicles to various African countries. In 2024 alone, we exported more than 3,500 vehicles to over 30 countries in Africa and the Americas. In 2025, we expect to reduce exports to Africa, Central America, and Southeast Asia. We exported over 4,200 vehicles to various countries in the region. For many years, our vehicle development has adhered to the corporate culture that quality is life. We continuously change product designs, enhance product quality standards. Excellent quality is the key reason why many customers choose Titan vehicles. While maintaining the highest quality standards, we always adopt a reasonable pricing strategy. In the past 11 years, our vehicle prices have never increased. Our vehicles have earned widespread praise and reputation from customers due to their high quality and affordable prices. Many satisfied customers actively introduce more new clients to us. This is our greatest pride. The quality standards and warranty of our vehicles. The steel used in our vehicles, axles and tires, modular, housing system, wiring and electrical lines, side lights, tail lights, and other accessories. All are brand suppliers with whom we have cooperated for over 10 years. For more than 10 years, we have been working with these brand suppliers, ensuring the entire supply chain. There have been no quality issues with any parts. Titan vehicles offer a 5-year warranty service. Within the first year, if there is a fracture in the semi-trailer of a Titan vehicle, our company will replace it with a brand new vehicle for free within 5 years. If any parts have serious quality issues, we will replace them for free. The axles come with a 5-year warranty service. We invite you to visit the mining factory to meet the requirements for riding in the vehicles. Provide us with more reasonable suggestions and guidance. We have dispatched quality teams and have foreign trade offices in Guangzhou and Jinan. You are also welcome to visit and communicate with us at any time. Thank you.